Hello everybody. Brian here, quantlabs.net, 3:05 Eastern Standard Time, April 21st. So in this video is not going to be pretty. My current opinion right now of cryptocurrency. We'll go through it. I've also did a webinar on this. I'll be doing it again on Monday. Again, today is April 22nd. Alright, so here we go. Here it is. Bitcoin. Look at that. Bitcoin daily view. Really a dog's breakfast of just untradeable market conditions since January for the largest coin. Here's another big problem with this. When you look at the finance, Yahoo Finance, right now everything's just down because of the Fed. The Fed's killing even Bitcoin. So we got a real problem here with Bitcoin now heavily tied in with whatever is said by the Federal Reserve. Bitcoin's not supposed to be about that. So as it stands, crypto is heavily tied back to the mainline economy. It's not the alternative asset that we wanted. It's not a true hedge what we wanted, but there's hope still for those that are smart and those watching this video. Alright, so let's go back to Bitcoin. So here's Bitcoin. Really dog's breakfast. This is a daily view. Even if I was to give you the hourly view, here's the problem. You get these spikes right here, April 18th to here. So it goes from 38,000 to 42,000 and change over a 3-day, and then this big drop. I knew this was going to happen just because of the volatility of the market. I do believe there is clearly some form of manipulation to prevent from Bitcoin and Ethereum to perform. As I said, Ethereum's a little better, has some nice upswings, but still comes back down. So to hodl these two are very difficult. There's a lot of reasons why this is going on, but because, as I said, the Bitcoin and crypto, Ethereum, all that is tied back to the main line economy. It's not how these coins were envisioned. Okay, so this is a danger and why crypto is now becoming a wasteland of financial opportunity now, because I think the long days of lucrative crypto is come to an end. But as I said, well, let's take a look at some other quick coins here. Look at Doge. Here you got this rally here with Doge, Elon Musk pumping it, then it just drops back and goes flat again. How do you trade that? Shiba Inu. These coins are obviously the Bitcoin bros, the crypto bros go on about their whatever. They made their money here in 2021. You can see this has been long-term drop back. There are some occasional spikes. Timing it and just trading it and tying up money doesn't make sense to me anymore. Let's look at BAT as another one. These are just recent performing coins. And look at these moves. It's just, if you're mean reverting, you probably do okay in this space. But I just think there's smarter ways to trade it. Zcash is another one. I mean, it's just you get a spike, an upswing, and then you can predictably call, yeah, there will be a downswing. So the hodl, it's just not worth it. Ape is a recent one that's been having some hopes. You know, look at that big upswing here, April 18th yet again, but this general trend of a downswing, and then you hope that people will buy the dip and then and take advantage of the next upswing. Well, if you try to do that in crypto or in Bitcoin, this is what happens. I've said this before. You got 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 opportunities on buy the dip, and along down here on this downswing, you would have been crushed, losing a lot of money. Another one that's been kind of performing is this Ren here as well. So as that loads up, just the daily, boom. If it's not going down, it's long-term sideways, and that's the best performance you get. These ones have been performing today. CRV, little upswing there on an hourly basis, but when you look at the history of it, again, it's the same as you know, like this is going to be a crazy, but again, here's that big upswing on an hourly basis, and it's going to drop back again. So to build a trading bot around this is like really tough. Because this is all random. There's nothing out there. I mean, this is being pumped by somebody. I don't know. I don't care. There might be some, I don't know, blockchain factor driving this. Again, very hard to predict. But as I said, let's first look at the alternatives. What we have, PAXG. This is a coin tied back to gold, and this is actually from the company Pax, whatever it's called. It's a vault company. It is real, got real gold in its vaults, so it's real, and it's on Interactive Brokers. So that's the real deal. You can see the big drop here, and this is tied back yet to the performance of gold. But it's only rallied here in February because of the Russian invasion into Ukraine. Things have stabilized, and it's gone just that flat. But as I said, here's the only coin left. This is there's two coins in the history of crypto. Bitcoin, that had the envision of being this, a private coin, and a true hedge. The only coin that's not affected by it is this one, the private coin XMR Monero. Okay, that's it. That's all you have. This coin is going to get heavily regulated. They want it out because they'll say, oh, this is a coin that thieves and criminals use, especially hackers, to get paid. And that's fine. I don't see it any different in the 70s and 80s when criminals and thieves were wanting to get paid in US cash, right? So now they're trying to prevent this from happening. But if you want to have a true hedge, like in Australia, they make this hard, maybe illegal to get, Monero, because that's how worried they are about the financial system. So to be truthful, this coin can be accessed downloading their app, and right here is now proving why this is the only coin in crypto now where you can get a true hedge, and it's been very strong over the last number of hours. I mean, it's just been going up. Okay, so if you look at the low point here on the last rally here, you got 229, and it's already at 288. It's dropped back, but this thing will, I think, continue to march on up as the last true hedge in crypto, probably the last true hedge out there, period. That's it. People think, oh, gold. Well, you can see gold is just not performing. Again, that's on a daily basis. It's been dropping, but when you look at Monero as well on a daily basis, it's getting hit right there, but it just seems to be just continuing to stabilize. Now, this could be added to this solution here, quantlabs.net/banking. On this video, this is part of another reason to hold private bank as the governments go crazy with their financial systems, and the markets are again losing money, as you can see here, and it's pretty deep here. I mean, you see here, Bitcoin's just dropped 4.6%. That's a huge drop, as well as everything else is red. But you look at Monero, I wouldn't be surprised this thing will still continue to rally for fundamental reasons, and that's important. There's an actual reason why this thing continues to do what it does. Okay, so just to put it out there, do what you want. As I keep saying, it's not my money. You do what you want with it. It's just hopefully some valuable advice you can take a look at and research further if you want. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching.